Hello, my name is José Luis Cardoso. I am 29 years old. I live in Cucuta City and I study industrial engineer. I have worked for the Brickword for 3 years. I have been working at the Casablanca Brickword. I have been working out a little over last year. I have been playing soccer. Next, using the 10 compound verbs. Okay, I am going to stop drinking beer. I am so fat I can't sit my feet anymore. Rafa will start studying photography. He has bought one of the newest and most expensive digital cameras. I don't know if my wife can stand me. I drink too much. I am a bad husband and I am a terrible person to live with. If you don't hurry, well the mix train. Next. Say your prayers with the 10 of informed speech. Sarah asked, are you music tonics? I working at hospital, he said. The state meet with my family. We had a big dinner last night, he said. Thank you.